Sexy means to me self-confidence.
Confidence.
Sexy can be just sort of the overall feeling that you're being the best person you can be at any point in time.
Do I consider myself sexy?
I do, yeah. You know, it comes in waves. I don't always feel sexy.
Not all the time. There are definitely days where I just feel like a complete bum.
She thinks I'm quasi-sexy, so that's enough for me. I mean, I'll take it.
I didn't used to, until about 25. So I decided one day I was just gonna be confident and feel good about myself because I'm wasting time not feeling good about myself.
Definitely a time that I felt sexiest when I was exploring sexuality, because I was just like free and just like, hey, this is who I am. And I feel even extra sexy that I married a man that actually celebrates that.
This is the time of my life where I am feeling sexy, no restrictions. I can do it all and have fun with it.
Being strong makes me feel really sexy. I started out as a ballerina. I loved the feeling of getting on point shoes and feeling just super connected to my body and feeling like, you know, my body could do anything or that I was in control of my body.
The sexiest thing about me would have to be my curves.
My arms, my ripped arms. Yeah, I think that's pretty sexy.
I like my tattoos. They show that I have a creative side and that I'm colorful and they make me happy.
I spent a lot of my life not feeling sexy, and I think that as I get older, I'm letting myself sort of have those moments more than when I was younger.
I do not feel insecure about my scars.
Being a woman with very small boobs, I've had a lot of little boob idols. And they always betray me. They always go get boob jobs, or they have all this padding. And I'm like, I needed you.
I was born with a cleft lip, and I have a scar right here. And it was probably like my biggest insecurity growing up. And, you know, I was bullied constantly for it. Now I love it. Now it's like a representation of everything I went through growing up.
Don't let media or anything make you feel like you have to be a certain type of way, because what's beautiful about all of us is that we are different.
Growing up, I didn't see a lot of curvaceous teenagers while I was watching television. And now throughout the media, I'm noticing a lot of people are coming to the forefront who are representing that, and it's a beautiful thing.
I started modeling before my accident, and I would want to think of a model in a wheelchair or with a disability, and I couldn't think of anyone. That made me sad. Like, why? Why isn't there somebody? But I can say that I'm doing my part in social media. Women who happen to be in a chair are beautiful and sexy and powerful. And I want people to see that.
I think I feel the most vulnerable when I think about where I came from. I grew up in trailer parks in Georgia, and I've struggled a lot in my life. So I think I'm most vulnerable there because I used beauty and fashion to hide what I felt like was inadequacies in my own life and with what I grew up without. You know, the truth is we all have fear and we all sometimes feel unworthy. But when you push through that fear and you decide, I'm gonna take 10 seconds to be courageous, and you just catch yourself and you're like, okay, I'm still afraid, but I'm moving in that direction of my fear.
You know, I share a lot of myself through social media, so I'm used to sort of unzipping myself a lot, especially emotionally. But to like take off my clothes and be in just lounge clothes or underwear, it's a little bit different. You feel vulnerable when it comes down to it.
I have never actually been on camera or even out in public really without some kind of padding. So this is the first time where I'm just like, bump it. This is how I look, and this is what I'm gonna show to the world.
You know, taking off my clothes for the shoot, it was actually liberating.
The slate of all body types was present, which was awesome. That was beautiful.
The last thing anybody would expect from a guy that looks like me is to be an underwear model, which is why it felt amazing. You know, this is who I am, and I don't want to apologize for it.
There's no one out there who has your DNA, has your fingerprint, There's nobody out there who can offer what you have to offer.
If you have self-love, I think that you can go out into the world as a beautiful human that you are.
Watch out, watch out. Here I come.